the top of Mount Nittany. I severely underestimated this trek, but it's worth it. You can see that right there. That's State College. It was great. Finally, it's time that I launch my channel, and it was sort of on my bucket list since the last 2 years, but I was not getting a proper agenda. Apart from vlogging, I had nothing in mind, and finally, while I'm here at USA, finally, when I'm starting my master's degree here at Pennsylvania State University, I have an agenda, and really I want to capitalize on that. So this channel's all gonna be about what I have faced, all this time, coping up as an international student, traveling halfway around the world, having a massive cultural gap between what was there and what I have here. I'll talk about what I face day to day and what I'm gonna do in the future. And believe me when I say so, like, it is so much different from what we had there. It is like the biggest out of comfort zone experience till now. It is so overwhelming. Like, everything is different, walking in the roads to buying stuff to like even having a shower, everything. So like, I'll share first-hand experience. I don't like to get second-hand experience. I don't like to propagate second-hand experience, so I'll give you the first-hand experience of what I'm facing, and I hope it'll be helpful for all those out there who will try in the future or are trying now to be international students at a reputed college in the United States or in Europe. So I'll be contacting my guys down there in Europe, so we'll be having a heads-on of what's going on there, and I'll be helping you through the journey. We'll be doing quite a few vlogs, and believe me, you'll never see in a very dressed outfit. I have very little time as a master's student right here because I'm still coping up. I'm trying to cut corners, and I am just circumscribing around the gaps where to find some time and create some content for you people and have some enjoyment for myself, some leisure for myself. So I'll try my best of what is available. So apart from that, as I said, we'll be doing vlogs. I'll give you an in-depth campus tour, which is, believe me, a so big campus. I don't know how many days I'll take to cover the entire campus for a video. I'll give you a very in-depth information of the housing system here, and believe in the United States, just like India, there are in different places there are different housing complexes. So I am here in State College right now, and even here there are different apartments. Each look very different from each other, and they have different rent structure, and things are totally different right here. It's meant for different kinds of people. Like, some people like to live alone, some people try to live with other people, some people try to cut corners and make the rent less, because not everyone has the same financial situation. So we will try to cover all of them. At the very beginning, since I don't really have a million contacts right now, so I'll be sharing my experiences here at Vairo. I live here at Vairo village. It's in State College. If you want to know what State College is, it's like a county, it's like a small town. With respect to United States, if you come here from India, you'll find it no less than a city and all. But yeah, according to the standards of the United States, so this is a very small place to live in. Okay, it's a rural area in their terms, but believe me, I'm enjoying. It's serene, it's tranquil, it's amazing, as well as overwhelming. So I'll be giving you an in-depth view of everything that I'm going through, be it academic, be it social, be it cultural, be it socio-cultural, be it making friends, being it figuring bank stuff out, figuring jobs out, figuring if your bed is not well enough. My bed is not well enough, so I have to go to the leasing office right now and talk to them about it. So figuring everyday things out, and I believe it'll be really helpful for all those who believe that there is no helping hand for them. At some point of time, I also felt the same thing, because yeah, there were people, but everyone has their own problems. I'll try to go through my problems in a very lucid manner so that you can get hold of what you need to have to solve your own problems. And everyone has their own problems, so nothing to worry about. The thing is that in USA everything is very fast. Everything like with respect to Kolkata, even I am from Kolkata. Kolkata is a fast city. If you are not fast, you will not survive. Like, what happens here is that people try to do things as fast as possible, and it goes both ways. For example, you need to visit a bank for activating your online banking. So, like, you'll be given an appointment, and you'll be expected to come at least 15 minutes before the appointment. And believe me when I say so, when you go for the appointment, it's not that you're waiting for 15 minutes. As soon as you go there, people see you coming and people get a job done within 10 to 15 minutes. It's not like back in India. I'm not criticizing India in any way, but like, people are here to do their jobs. And if you're here, you must know that you are here to do your job too. So you need to be fast, you need to be accurate, and you need to be a very good decision maker. Your acumenship skills should be really great. So I'm trying to cope up. I'm not that fast. I have people here who are like, compared to me, a light speed. I'm trying to just fit in, or just fit off, should I say. So that's what's about today. It's about introduction of the channel, and I hope to get you some very, I'll not say very entertaining stuff, I'll say very important stuff that is required for all of you, and stuff that you can capitalize on if you aspire to come or go to any country as an international student at any point of time. This channel will be required for you for all the things that you'll be facing in your daily life, at least at the beginning, and then you'll figure things out by yourself. But in the very beginning, if you need a head start, you have this. Thank you guys for watching this content, and I hope you subscribe to this channel if you want to and like this content. I don't have any monetary attachments to this channel as of now. I just wanted to create for the help of other students. And I must say that I am from a tier 3 college, Jalpaiguri Government Engineering College. People here don't recognize my college, so I make them realize the location by saying that it's near Darjeeling, and that's how they figure it out, like Shiliguri and all. But now people should know that Jalpaiguri Government Engineering College has, reached great heights. The placements are great. The people are getting jobs in 7-Eleven. The people are getting jobs in Microsoft, Google, and whatnot, right? So it has traveled a great distance, and believe me, it's because of the students. So I think we should do our best. And for that cause, I'm starting this channel specifically for all those who think that their backgrounds have not been great enough and think that they'll not be able to pass through the obstructions that people of other colleges do very easily. It's just a very bad stigma to be around. Nothing like that happens. If you are a man of your words, if you're a man of some positive construct, you will be able to do whatever you want to do. So I have friends who have made real good use of engineering by going into academics, by going into jobs, by creating their own creative content, and like many other things. For me, I think engineering is no less than a trampoline, and you can do whatever you want, and that is what this channel is all about. As I said, I'll be doing vlogs and stuff like that, and I'll be keeping you posted on whatever I do in my life, and I think is important for any other person who's coming to the United States or any other university or any other country in the world for their higher education, that they should know of before they just start the journey. So time's up for today. I'll not make it too long, so meet you in the next video.